So today we're going to start assembling the engine for the OBS truck build. It is an LT4. It's out of a 2017 ZL1 Camaro. We couldn't just put it in stock, so we had to obviously have to upgrade it. We got some head studs already on it. We also got a custom grind cam from Texas Speed and Performance. We're going to be putting dual valve springs on it, DOD delete. We got a Holley swap pan for the LT stuff. A lot of cool stuff going on this thing. And we also got a front drive kit from Drive Junkie that is going to be running the LT4 supercharger and allow us to have power steering and AC. So here we are. We're going to just do a quick little time lapse on the buildup of the engine. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to let you know whenever I post a new video. Assembled. Got the Hellcat over there started up. We put the Holley oil pan on it and it looks really good, fits good. Came with pretty much all the hardware except oil pan bolts. Holley supply the oil pan bolts, that would help out a lot. But we had some spare factory oil pan bolts except for these long ones, which I had to order from the dealership. But yeah, other than that, everything's good. We're gonna flip this thing over and see how it looks. All right, so we got our Drive Junkie front accessory kit here, and pretty much everything's in this kit except for the alternator. I don't see an alternator in here. It's supposed to come with one, but got some pretty nice stuff here. Everything's black anodized and billet except this bracket here. I'm not sure what happened. Hopefully it's not something that visual because as you can see, it's not sure what happened with that one, but the rest of it's all anodized. Looks good. The AC compressor looks really nice on there. It's got a couple little scuffs. I don't know. Not too thrilled with how it showed up for as much as this stuff costs, but I guess that it is what it is. So we'll start assembling this right now. It came with some instructions over here, and we'll start assembling up here on the new LT4 for the OBS. Okay, got the OBS truck engine all finished up, most of the way anyways. Got the front accessory kit on. We're missing the alternator, but everything fit great. We did have to change the thermostat back to a factory one due to the AMP one being bigger in size. One of the brackets just wouldn't fit. I tried to clearance it and it was just getting too thin, so we just went ahead and stuck the stock thermostat back on. But check it out, it actually looks really nice. All right, there she is in all of her glory. I went with this kit because it still uses a dedicated drive belt for the blower. The rest of them you had to use like a 6-rib belt. This one uses the factory 8-rib belt here, so which is nice. Everything's all black, powder coated. Missing the alternator, as you can see right there, but it should come with a black alternator, so this is probably gonna get drop shipped. Got the AC down here. Looks really nice. The power steering, of course, for the truck, because these motors don't come with a power steering pump because the cars are electric steering now. So also got a big old tensioner right here for the belt, and we were able to fit a 945 lower on there. It clears it barely. That's about as big as we're going to be able to get on the lower with this accessory drive kit. Yeah, let me know what you think. I think it turned out really nice. Got the Dirty Dingo mounts right there. Everything looks really good on this engine so far. Steven, you putting some the Terpskis on Nemo for the first time?
Early gigs.
Ooh.
Sharp.
Yeah, don't poke yourself. Boom! There it is. They fit like a glove, don't they?
It's a tight fit.
Wow. I love the placement of them, though. That's freaking badass. Wow. And this goes into the stock exhaust, Steven?
They have
The pipes, it makes it go right in.
the connecting pipe, so everything, this has already got it cut.
Yeah.
It goes right into the stock muffler, just like that. So you get
Holy.
the straight for the X pipe.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, I don't know.
You won't even know.
We might just have to put like cutouts or electric cutouts or something on
Is
there.
the stock muffler
Yeah.
baffled or no?
I don't know, Curtis. All I know is that when you make a lot of horsepower, the stock muffler,
It's gotta go bye-bye.
it actually makes more power than any aftermarket exhaust.
No shit.
Yes.
Even
And
with
it's
turbo?
aerodynamic because it covers this whole area so the wind doesn't catch this thing.
Yeah, we can put some cutouts on it.
Well, usually with turbo, you want to straight through.
And the wastegate's just dump. There's no pipes on them.
Are you putting the other one on? Oh,
Yeah,
Steven,
I gotta
I
loosen
gotta
it up.
show him your job here. So this is the trans lines, and we got the fittings that go into the stock hard lines, which turned out really good. So we're using the stock hard transmission cooler lines. This thing actually has a pretty good trans cooler set up on it from the factory. So we're actually gonna see how it works. And then if we need to, we'll put a bigger cooler on it. Yeah, it turned out really good. Getting some of the Holley stuff on here. Got the Holley Dominator mounted right there, and then we're starting to run all the harnesses. We figured we'd probably better get the turbos on first, though, and then we'll be able to route everything from there.
Yeah, this connecting pipe on the back takes up a lot of range.
Got Nemo here, and check it out. We got Nemo's turbo kit basically all the way on down here. Got the wastegates on, got the Holley widebands in, got the dome pressure sensors on. Came with some nice heat blankets over here. Got the, you can see the fronts of the turbos looking from the front of the car. It looks pretty cool, honestly. We did the hard lines, the factory hard lines into dash 6 line, I believe, all the way up into the transmission there. So, yep, getting Nemo all fixed up here. It's looking really good. What we got left, Steven? We got shifter,
Yeah, install the shifter and the cable.
drive shaft, of course.
Get
That
our
we're waiting
drive
on.
shaft in. We can put the rest of the exhaust on. And just a few more connectors with the Holley hanging here.
Yeah, pretty much all
Then
hooked
kind
up.
of tidy it up. Got it mounted.
Yeah, it looks
powers.
good. Looks really good.
Can lower it down.
Steven, the Huron Speed turbo kit, how was it?
It's not bad.
Not bad at all. Did you run any issues with anything?
No, not really. With the bigger turbos, it's tight on the frame rail over here.
Yeah, I remember.
So you
Had
got
to-
to perfectly clock it in right in here with like the K-member.
Okay. So nothing
Other than
major.
that, it's pretty bolt-on friendly.
Nice. Okay. You hear a bunch
haven't
of
had
mixed
to-
reviews, so,
I haven't had to move anything like
and
the
this is
DL
your first
fabs.
one you've ever installed. It's not like you're a
Yeah.
whiz at installing these kits or anything.
Yeah.
You are now, but yeah, it looks good.
We've just been on it a little while because we've done everything.
For sure. Well, let's lower it down and see how she looks up front.
Hey,
Got a bunch of stuff going on over here.
oh yeah.
Got the catch can on.
Yep.
Got all the plug wires, plugs in. Just really need to put the coolant tank over here.
Yep.
That big
Coolant
rubber donger right there.
Yeah, right here.
Silicon Valley. There it is.
Kind of connects the driver's side turbo.
So that'll go. Okay.
Fits
It
behind
doesn't
the intake.
look too bad.
disconnect
Not
here.
too bad,
No,
yeah.
it's not too bad. And I think once the intake manifold's on,
Yeah.
you really just see the...
Yeah, so the intake, so we got obviously some other stuff we need to connect and tidy up, but the intake will cover all this. Like, you won't see any of this stuff right here, which will look really nice once that's all
Feed
on.
the front of the rails.
Yep. Yep. Each feed there. Got the regulator hidden back there.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's looking good. We're getting close.
Yeah.
I don't know.
A few more days, we're going to be real close.
Few more days. Yep. Yep. I'd say we should probably be able to almost probably start it up Friday. If all goes well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can start it with no drive shaft.
Yeah, yeah, we can definitely start with no drive shaft. But yeah, we'll have we'll have everything here. So we got shifter, put the intake on.
Yep.
Obviously just finished the turbo piping, and man,
yeah, it's all tight. I
mean,
there's really only 3 clamps left for the piping.
Run the Holley stuff inside the car and shoot,
yeah,
man.
There's one connector that goes in the car. I already put the wiring in for the shifter for the park ground, so the push button start will work because of the A10 conversion.
Yeah.
Got the little box right here.
Oh yeah, for that A10 conversion. Yeah, Crawford has that deal. Man,
so it's happy.
It's coming right along. This has been a big project. This has been your biggest project since you've been here.
Yeah, yeah. I think once the intake manifold's on, it's really gonna go.
Yeah, it'll really come together. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, so this is end of probably like day 9, I think. Day 9 or so.
Yeah, officially working on it.
Yeah, every day. Yeah.
Yep.
So it's a lot of work. So if you go to a shop and they bid you a lot of hours to put one of these kits on and do the motor and all that stuff, at least you know that it's legit, because Steven's really been working on it for like 2 weeks.
It only took about a day to rip it apart.
Yeah, it only took a day to rip it apart, but yeah, if you do everything correctly, it takes time, guys. But it's looking good, Steve.
Yeah.
All right, little Nemo update here. Got the catch can in, pretty much all the harness routed, plugs in, plug wires on. Really all we have left to do is put the intake on, plumb the fuel system. Well, fuel system's already plumbed, but get it all hooked up, run the charge pipe over there, and put the front bumper on, get this thing started up. Steve's been working on this shifter for most of today, and has it pretty close. He did everything and then forgot to gate it for the Turbo 400. So
yeah,
after he did everything. So
oh, by the way, take that piece out.
Yeah. But it's a good thing he caught it now. So
yeah, you don't notice it just ratcheting it in your hand.
No, yeah, it looks good. And then yeah, we'll raise it up and see what the underneath of it looks like here. All right, so we got the turbos on, got the pipes, kind of like the down pipes, most of them on. And then it obviously connects to the rest of the exhaust. We're still waiting on the drive shaft. Got the wastegates on. Steven's got the shifter cable made, which comes all the way, mounts over here. Real
just
nice.
Get some longer bolts.
Yeah, just get some longer bolts, and that thing will be good to go there. But yeah, it's looking pretty nice under here, really. Oh yeah, everything fits good too.
Now I just got to plumb all the air fittings.
Oh yeah, that'll be in tomorrow.
Get the CO2 in.
Yeah. The little details, people, it all takes a lot of time that you just kind of don't think about. Looks good. That'll do it for today's video. Hope you've been enjoying the pretty much daily updates we've been giving you all on the build progress on Nemo, because we are working on Nemo every single day until Nemo is finished up. And the OBS truck build is going to be our next big project that we do. I've already started on the engine, which you can see from this video. We got all the suspension in for both trucks. We got a QA1 suspension for one and the RideTech coilover suspension for the other truck. So we'll be able to do 2 different coilover suspension kits, and we'll give you, our base grade on each kit and how they perform and how they install, because we got both of them. So hope you all enjoy the videos, and we'll see you later.